mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
So this is the 1104 tractor, which is the second most powerful tractor in the range now. It's running Perkins engine, set up gearbox, Bosch electrics. So it's all basic stuff, easy to use. Nice tractor really. Obviously, 100 full set of rear weights is standard, air brakes, 40k, so 8 forward speeds, 8 reverse. That's it really.
So, what's your market with the armatrac?
Market is sort of like basic market, so stock farmers, councils, golf courses, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
That sort of market.
Yeah. How many have you sold in the UK?
In the UK, don't know to be honest with you exactly.
Yeah.
It's getting plenty out there.
Is armatrac, how long has armatrac been in business?
Been in business since the 50s, but only producing their own tractors in the past 10 years.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.